आज 14 today is 13 November, Children's Day. Unfortunately, in India, we celebrate Men's Day, we celebrate Valentine's Day, even we celebrate Canada Day. But the Children's Day had not been recognized and not make any effort to the people to make the awareness what is the child abuse. So, Main Welfare Trust and Safe Family Foundation volunteers today gathered in Connaught Place Inner Circle to make the awareness among the people. A child have the right to have the access of both parents, father and mother. Unfortunately, in our judiciary and the lawmakers does not able to recognize whenever any disputes come, a child had been deprived to meet his father, but at the same time, as per UN Convention, this is the child abuse, but nobody recognizes. And it is very unfortunate to say to my citizen of India, why our lawmakers, politicians does not recognize the Children's Day, because children are not vote bank or they cannot raise their voice, but they forget it is the child who is the future. If you want a future society, harmony, peaceful, then you must stop the child abuse mentally, physically and financially also. In this regard, last 12 years, we are suggesting and requesting to the government, child should be having a separate ministry. Presently, Child and Women Ministry together club, hence the child welfare had been neglected. Boys' school drops are increasing. Sexual assault of boys are increasing. Still, our policymakers and lawmakers does not give any care about the problem of the boys as a child. Discrimination of child on the basis of gender is very, very unfortunate. We have seen there are the, as a child, how you can discriminate he is a boy or girl. When you are giving the stipend, it is the child. It is not that all the girl child born in Ambani family or poor family. It depends on the economic status of a parents. So we propose and make the awareness, do not discriminate at least a child on the basis of his gender. You should not abuse the child that he cannot raise his voice. And the teaching you are saying, basically when you do the studies we see, when you beat a child, what child think? He thinks, I have done something wrong, so somebody has beaten me. So beating is the right if you think somebody has done wrong. Same thing reflect when he became the adult. When you think that, okay, you have done something wrong, so I have right to beat you. So that is the basic conception. All over world, UN has agreed that we should stop the child abuse, child beating. On the eve of Children's Day, Safe Family Foundation and Main Welfare Trust request to the lawmakers and the citizen of India, please remember, it is the child right. It is not the father or mother rights to have the access of the child. It is the child right. He should have a dignified life and live in this country. So on this Children's Day, I once again request to the government, please separate the women and child ministry so the child welfare get their due care and love and respect so that they become a good citizen of the future. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Dr.